Hello everyone, welcome to Pambatha Kamancinza TV. I'm here to update you ngokuzokwenzeka kuSibongile and Dlamini kusukela ngoMsombuluko mhla ka-10 March 2025 kuya ngoLwesithathu mhla ka-12 March 2025. NgoMsombuluko mhla ka-10 March 2025, an uncontrollable Khuzwayo threatened to overthrow Vuma's plan to take over. Uveluphi doesn't know which side to choose. Wenzeni struggled to take responsibility for what she did to Themba. NgoLwesibili mhla 11 March 2025, uKhuzwayo shattered heart find comfort in Nengelosi's arm. Veluphi is overwhelmed with guilt. Wenzeni attempt to make amends with Themba fall too short when he reminds her that she is the source of all these troubles. NgoLwesithathu mhla ka-12 March 2025, despite the breakup, Kwenzi does all he can to support Sibongile. However, Sibongile doesn't make it easy for him. Nengelosi finds herself saying things about Pattern that makes Samke salivate for revenge. Ngiyabamba lapho ungakhohlwa ukucindezela notification bell, ukusubscribe noma usho umbono wakho. Bye.